Good morning. Welcome to Thank You Thursday. Some thank yous that I wanted to share out today are for Mavis, Zaria, Isabella, Jessica, for all being part of Google Meetings so far, um, and asking good questions and checking in. And I love seeing your guys' faces. So thank you guys for joining those meetings. Oh, also for Shayla. I forgot about our earlier meeting in the afternoon yesterday. So for Thank You Thursday, we have our usual warm-up activities using GoNoodle. For your morning meeting today, I'm going to post a Flipgrid, and you guys will be instructed to go to that Flipgrid and tell me somebody that you are thankful for. I will be able to apply concepts to complete the math test. Now, if you have not been doing the math over the last 2 weeks, I would not suggest that you take this test because you might not do so well. Okay. So, this would be the time that if you know that there are some math assignments that you haven't done so far, I would go and complete those before doing this test. Those of you who are ready for the test, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be reading the questions out loud, so that way you know what is being asked of you in each of the math questions. Okay. So, number 1, Jenny used doubling to solve 6 times 7. This is what she did. Okay. You need to explain Jenny's work. That is your assignment piece for that. You need to explain Jenny's work. Okay, so for number 2, fill in the unit box and then solve. You don't have to put anything here. I really don't mind. And then here you guys are solving. You're not having to estimate, which is nice. You do have to solve. And it looks like there's going to be some regrouping. So if you need to remind yourself how to do that, I would watch yesterday's video as a reminder. For number 3, in baseball multiplication, the greater the product from the dice roll, the better the hit. For each pair of facts below, circle the one that would give you a better hit. So what you could do is you could actually move this box from here to your answer, or you could type in which one is your answer. Which one of these pairs is going to have a better hit on baseball multiplication. Number 4, show a multiplication strategy that could be used to solve this fact. 8 times 4. Now, there's so many multiplication strategies that we've been over. There's a lot that you could do. So your answer needs to include a multiplication strategy that I can use to solve this fact is okay? And then at the bottom, right here, you're going to tell me what does 8 times 4 equal. Now, you have 48 stickers and want to divide them equally among 6 small bags. How many stickers do you put into each bag? Write a number model to fit the story. Use a letter to represent what you want to find out. You may complete the diagram below to help. So this is the same diagram that we've been working on for I don't know, a few weeks now. And then you're going to solve the number story, okay? So I already put in that the letter is going to be the letter S for stickers, okay? And so using that information, you fill out everything within these boxes. You tell me the number sentence, and then you also give me the answer, okay? Maggie and Katrina solved this number sentence. 3 times 6 plus 2 equals Maggie says the answer is 20, and Katrina says the answer is 24. Who is correct? Explain. Your answer needs to include either Katrina's name or Maggie's name is correct because okay? And that's where you're going to tell me why are one of those either Maggie or Katrina, why are one of them correct? Okay? Number 7. Andy used the order of operations to solve this number sentence. 3 plus 6 times 5 equals 33. Explain Andy's steps for solving the number sentence. To solve the number sentence, Andy started by and that's where you're going to use the order of operations to explain to me what Andy did and was it the right way to do it. Okay? Number 8, and this is the last question. Miss Sierra's class has 6 tables with 4 children at each table and a table with 3 children. How many children are in Miss Sierra's class? The number model that is used here is 6 times 4 plus 3 equals C. Solve the number story using any strategy. Show your work. So you're actually just writing the answer here. And so where it says show your work, you don't really have anywhere to show me your work, okay? So really you're just doing the answer. And then I want you to explain, how does this number model fit this situation? What clue words tell us that this is multiplication? Why is it plus 3? Okay, those are the things that you're going to answer, and you're going to say, the number model fits this story because... Okay, so right now I'm going to pause, and then we're going to move on to English Language Arts. Try your best on that math test. You guys are going to do fine. But like I said, if you're watching this video and you don't know some of those math concepts, either watch yesterday's video or go back to last week and start from there. It's really okay to start from anywhere right now within these 2 weeks. I'm going to have different instructions next week, but for this week, you should go back to the beginning at March 17th, 2020, and make sure you're clicking turn in on all of your assignments, okay? All right, so I'm going to pause for now, and I'll see you for English Language Arts.